Dear students, good morning to all of you. Today I will start the exercise 3.5, the remaining question of this exercise. Okay, words problem. Question number 1, 2, 3. I already completed all the parts. Now we will start one by one from question number 4th onward. Okay, so let us start. Question number 4. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist. If they exist means the same way a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. If this condition is hold in all the problems, in all the part, then only you have to find the solution. Okay, by any algebraic method. Now you can see here written any algebraic method, substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. Among three you can use any method. Okay, so now the first part is a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of the days one has taken food in the mess. Okay, according to the food means the hostel charge is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pay rupees 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of the food per day. Okay, so come on, solution part I will start. Now let fixed charge be rupees x and charge on food per day be rupees y. So fixed charge plus charge on food of 20 days 20y and cost together 1000. So this is your first equation. Second condition, fixed charge plus charge on food as hostel charges of 26 days, that means 26y. So x plus 26y altogether 1180, 1180. This is your second equation. You make the solution, then you can use any method. Okay, see, you can see here in both the equation the coefficient of x equal in both the equation or both the linear equations. So you can subtract any equation from any equation. So subtract equation first from equation second. X plus 26y is equal to 1180 and x plus 20y is equal to 1000. Subtraction sign will be changed. Then x cancel. 26 minus 26y is equal to 1180 minus 1000, that means 180. Then y is equal to 180 by 6, that means 30. 6 1 ja 6 3 ja 30 will come. Okay, so y is equal to 30. Put this y in equation first. So x plus 20 into 30 is equal to 1000. Then x is equal to 1000 minus 3 2 is 6, 600. 600 will come to the right side as a minus sign. 1000 minus 600 is equal to 400. Therefore fixed charge be rupees 400 and charge per day rupees 30 on food. Right? I hope you understand. Then next question. Second one. Question number second part. Okay. Fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. So it is very easy question. This type of question we already done in previous exercise. Take the numerator x, take the denominator y, then fraction x by y. When you subtract 1 from the numerator, it becomes 1 by 3. So x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. Make the linear equation. In second condition, it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is subtracted, 8 is added to its denominator. So x by y, then plus 8 in the denominator, it becomes 1 by 4. Cross multiplication, you can find the linear equation, then find the solution. You can do yourself. Okay, this type of question we already done in previous exercise. Now question number 3. S scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Okay, so had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and and 2 marks been deducted or reduced for each incorrect answer, then S would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? Okay, so you have to find all the questions, means you have to find a number of questions. Okay, so come on, solution part. Third one. Let the number of right answers be x and wrong answer be y. Then according to question, for correct, then 3x losing y is equal to 40. Okay. In second condition, 4x for correct answer and losing 2y is equal to 50. He scored 50. In first condition he scored 40. Second condition he scored 50. So from the correct, subtract the wrong one, then you can get the exact number what he or whatever he getting the mark. Okay, then 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. We can write 2x minus y is equal to 25. हम इसको लिख सकते हैं बिकॉज हमने इस पूरे इक्वेशन को 2 से डिवाइड कर दिया. ओके, नाउ इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, in both the equation you can check the coefficient of y equal in both the equation, na? So you can subtract equation first from equation second. So 2x minus y is equal to 25, then 3x minus y is equal to 40. Sign will be changed in multiplication, change the sign. 2x minus 3x minus x will come, y cancel, plus minus. 25 minus 40, that means minus 15, minus minus cancel, that means x is equal to 15. Put this x is equal to 15 in equation first, right? Then 3 into 15 minus y is equal to 40, and minus y is equal to 40 minus 45 is equal to minus 5. Then y is equal to 5. This is your final answer. Okay, now you have to write in words also. Number of right answer 15, number of wrong answer 5. The total number of questions 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. So final answer is 20. I hope you understand. Any confusion, any doubt, you can ask me, but try to solve. Okay, now next question. Fourth part. places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at a different speed, the speed is difference when both the car traveling in the same direction. They meet in 5 hours. In same direction they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, means towards each other, okay, they meet in 1 hour. If they means both the car are traveling towards each other, then they will meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of the two cars? Okay. Now solution part. Let the speed of the first car be x kilometer per hour and speed of second car be y kilometer per hour. Speed of both car in same direction x minus y. Okay, in both the direction, because जब एक कार ज़्यादा स्पीड से चलेगी तभी तो उस कार को पाएगी ना। किसी भी प्लेस से यदि एक कार चलती है, दूसरे प्लेस से एक कार चलती है, दोनों सेम डायरेक्शन में चलती है, तो जो पीछे वाली कार होगी उसकी स्पीड हमेशा ज़्यादा होगी, तभी तो वो मिल पाएंगे ना, तभी तो उसको मीट कर सकती है वो कार, राइट। स्पीड ऑफ बोथ द कार इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन, इन केस ऑफ अपोजिट डायरेक्शन दोनों की स्पीड ऐड हो जाएगी, तभी तो मिलेंगे, क्योंकि वो उधर से चल रही है एक तरफ से और एक दूसरे प्लेस से कार चल रही है, दोनों एक ही डायरेक्शन में चल रहे हैं, वो 1 घंटे में मिल जा रहे हैं, तो उनकी स्पीड ऐड हो जाएगी, दोनों कार की स्पीड। तो स्पीड इनटू टाइम, यू नो दैट द डिस्टेंस विल बी सेम, डिस्टेंस सेम ही होगी, 100 किलोमीटर है, ठीक है। तो टाइम इनटू स्पीड इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस, देन 5 इंटू स्पीड इक्वल टू 100। द डिस्टेंस कितनी है? 100 किलोमीटर। ओके, सो 5 विल कम टू द राइट साइड, तो 100 बाई 5 एक्स माइनस वाई इक्वल टू 100 बाई 5, 5 2 जा 10, सो एक्स माइनस वाई इक्वल टू 20। ओके, इन सेकंड कंडीशन दे मीट इन 1 आवर, तो स्पीड इंटू टाइम और टाइम इंटू स्पीड, तो 1 इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 100, दैट मीन्स एक्स प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 100। दिस इज योर सेकंड इक्वेशन। ओके, दिस इज योर second equation. Adding equation first and second, right? You have to add both the equation. Why you have to add? Because you can subtract also, because the coefficient of x are equal and in same sign, but the coefficient of y are equal but opposite sign. So here we will add equation first and second. X minus y equal to 20, x plus y equal to 100. So plus y minus y cancel, 2x equal to 120, then x equal to 120 by 2, that means 60. So x equal to 60. Put x equal to 60 in equation second, then 60 plus y equal to 100, then y equal to 100 minus 60, then y equal to 40. So speed of first car is 60 km per hour and speed of second car is 40 km per hour. This is your answer. Now you can check the condition also. The speed of both the car 100 km per hour. You can say check, 1 घंटे में दोनों कार मिल रही हैं, जब अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में चलती हैं तो 60 एक कार चलेगी, 40 एक कार चलेगी, टोटल डिस्टेंस 100 हो गई ना। ओके, सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन। सो कम ऑन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th part of this question, question number 4. Okay. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units area if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. This is your first condition. If we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, both the dimensions increase here. then the area increased by 67 square units. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. That means we need to find length and breadth of that rectangle. Okay, come on, solution part, the last part of this exercise, this question. Okay, let the length of rectangle be x unit and the breadth of the rectangle y unit. ठीक है, then area we know that length into breadth then is equal to xy, because length x and so x into y is equal to xy, right? Okay, according to question, when length is reduced by 5 यूनिट, तो न्यू लेंथ क्या हो जाएगी x माइनस 5, एंड ब्रेथ इज इंक्रीज्ड बाई 3 यूनिट्स, तो ब्रेथ क्या हो जाएगी y प्लस 3, बट एरिया विल बी रिड्यूस्ड 9 यूनिट्स. ओके, सो x माइनस 5 इंटू वाई प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू एक्स वाई माइनस 9, एरिया माइनस 9. तो पहली कंडीशन आपको समझ में आ गई होगी. देन यू हैव टू सॉल्व this condition. So xy 3x 5y minus का then minus 15. Okay, xy minus 9, from both side xy cancel, 3x minus 5y minus 15 is equal to minus 9. 15 will come to the right side. Okay, will go as a positive sign. So 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 9 plus 15. So 3x minus 5y is equal to plus 6, because 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. This is your first equation. Okay, right? In second condition, length is increased by 3 unit and breadth is increased by 2 unit. So x plus 3, y plus 2. Okay, the multiplication of length into breadth, xy plus 67. Because in this condition the area increased by 67 square unit. Now multiply x into y xy, x into 2 2x, 3 into y 3y, 3 into 2 3 to 6 is equal to xy plus 67. From both side same sign, xy cancel. So 2x plus 3y, 6 will come to the right side as a negative sign. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 67 minus 6. Okay, so 2x plus 3y is equal to 61. This is your second equation, right? Okay, now here we will use cross multiplication. Okay, first one, 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. Okay, this is your first equation, or actually we can write माइनस 6 इक्वल टू 0. 6 को उस तरफ ले आएंगे, उसी तरीके 61 को इधर ले आएंगे, तो माइनस 61 इक्वल टू 0. ओके, नाउ दिस इज योर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, दिस इज योर सेकंड इक्वेशन. वी विल यूज हियर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो यूजिंग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन मेथड, x बाई, ओके, x बाई 5 इंटू माइनस 5 इंटू 61 और माइनस 61 305 माइनस साइन. ओके, देन 3 इंटू माइनस 6 माइनस 18, राइट? ओके, देन y बाई 3 इंटू 6 इंटू 2. ओके, यानी माइनस 6 इंटू 2 माइनस 12, देन माइनस, देन 3 into minus 61 minus 183. Okay, then 1 by 3 into 3, okay, 9, and minus 5 into 2 minus 10. गॉट इट. जो फार्मूला मैंने आपको बताया है उसी फार्मूला पर फोकस करना है आपको. राइट. ओके. x बाई 305 माइनस 18, y बाई -12 माइनस 181. ओके. 1 बाई 9 माइनस 10. तो यहाँ पर प्लस हो जाएगा, यहाँ पर प्लस हो जाएगा और यहाँ भी प्लस हो जाएगा. तो x बाई 323, y बाई 171, 1 बाई 19. ठीक है. -12 प्लस 81 171 प्लस 9 प्लस 10 19. ओके. एक बार इन दोनों को इक्वल दिखाइए. देन x बाई 323. ओके. इक्वल टू 119. 323 will go to the right side as a multiplication. So 323 by 19, 19 1 ja 19, 19 7 ja. Okay, means 17 times it will cancel. So x is equal to 17. Similarly y is equal to, अब इन दोनों को इक्वल दिखा दीजिए. y बाई 171 is equal to 1 by 19. So 171 by 19, 19 9 ja 171, y is equal to 9. So finally we can say the length of the rectangle 17 unit and breadth of the unit breadth of the rectangle 9 unit. Okay, समझ में आ गया ना कि उस रेक्टेंगल की अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन कंडीशन द लेंथ इज 17 units and breadth is 9 units. I hope you understand. Okay, so I complete this exercise. So kindly complete your notebook till here. Okay, the next exercise I will start in my next video because it is sufficient for today. So I hope you understand. So thank you. Have a nice day.